Ciao e benvenuti su Italianissimo. I'm your teacher for today's lesson, so without further ado, let's begin. Buono studio. Welcome to the Aeolian Islands, 7 volcanic jewels off the coast of Sicily. In this episode, you'll explore beautiful landscapes and learn real Italian vocabulary and grammar, just like the locals speak it. Today, we'll visit Stromboli, Lipari, and Salina, and learn to describe places, food, and people using essential Italian phrases. Isola, island. Vulcano, volcano. Spiaggia, beach. Mare, sea. Pesce fresco, fresh fish. Tramonto, sunset. Vento, wind. Zolfo, sulfur. Salire, to climb. Vedere, to see. In Italian, spiaggia means beach. Notice the soft G sound. Spiaggia. Ogni giorno prendo la barca e vado a pescare vicino a Stromboli. Ogni giorno, every day. Prendo la barca, I take the boat. Vado a pescare, I go fishing. Vicino a Stromboli, near Stromboli. Italian present tense. Regular verbs in are, ere, ire. Io vado, I go. Tu vedi, you see. Noi saliamo, we climb. In Stromboli, life follows the rhythm of the volcano. To describe what people do every day, we use the present tense in Italian. Examples. Noi viviamo sull'isola. We live on the island. Lui cucina il pesce. He cooks the fish. Tu vedi il tramonto. You see the sunset. Present tense endings. Are turns into io parlo, tu parli, lui parla. Ere turns into io vedo, tu vedi, lei vede. Ire turns into io dormo, tu dormi, lui dorme. Complete the sentence. Io, blank, vivere, a Lipari. Correct answer. Vivo. Noi, blank, mangiare, il pesce. Correct answer. Mangiamo. Don't worry if you get it wrong. Just rewind and try again. Now that you've learned words like isola, tramonto, and mare, and seen how to use Italian present tense in real life, it's time to use it yourself. Write a comment using one of today's words or phrases. For example, io vivo vicino al mare. Mi piace il pesce fresco. We'd love to see your Italian. Do you want more free Italian lessons? Download the free PDF with vocabulary, grammar notes, and practice exercises. The link is in the description.